to combine these three rational expressions, we need to find a common denominator. That's the least common multiple of all the denominators. So here I factored each of the terms in the denominators, and we see that 45 is equal to 3 squared times 5, so the least common multiple has to have a 3 squared and a 5 in it. 9y is 3 squared times y, so we have to have not only a 3 squared, but also we have to have a y in the least common multiple. We already have a 5, and we need a y squared because this term also has a y squared factor. So the LCM has all of those factors. And we now have to augment each of the denominators so as to be equal to the LCM. So the first one has a 45, that's 3 times 5, but we're missing a y squared. So we need to go times this by y squared in the numerator and denominator. And this second term needs a 5 factor in the denominator. And we also need another y. So multiply the top and bottom times another y to get a 45y squared. The last one needs a 9, a factor of 9, upstairs and down. 9 times. And there we have it. Each denominator is now 45y squared. So I'll write it over the common denominator. I'm going to write it as 45y squared then. And in the numerator we have 2y squareds minus 5 times 5 is 25 y's minus 9 times 9 is 81. And at this point, we're essentially done. Whether or not the numerator factors, I don't really care because it's certainly not going to have a factor involving any of the factors of the denominator. So it can't be reduced to lowest terms. So we'll leave it like that.